Continuing further, it suggests what about overlapping substrings. So here is a string ABABA, and the endpoints are now not individual letters but strings AA and BA. So why is this input interesting? Well, for this string ABABA, notice that it has this substring AB. That substring is strictly larger than AA, but AB overlaps with BA, because you see AB is over here in the string, AB is at the beginning of the string, and then a little bit after that comes BA. So the question here is, do we want to count such a substring AB? Because although it is strictly larger than AA, it overlaps in its location with BA. Once again, a great suggestion to try. So we will try all these examples that ChatGPT has suggested. It's trying another interesting corner case, the empty string. And those are the 5 that it has suggested, right? So let me quickly show you what happens when we try all these examples. Let us see how our thoroughness has improved. So when we add all the suggestions that ChatGPT has made, does our thoroughness improve from 37%? Well, let's find out. Now our thoroughness is 75%. That's still not 100%, but it does mean that ChatGPT was able to explore the input space quite well. Now remember, so far you and I have not tried to bring in our own minds to this. We're just doing copy-paste from ChatGPT. But let's see how well it is able to take these suggestions and now produce code. So continuing with our conversation, now that we looked at ChatGPT, what I did was simply copy-pasted those results that the client told me. I said, the doc tests below clarify how the function should behave. Now write the code. So ChatGPT reads these doc tests, and it says, here is the implementation that satisfies all the given doc tests. That's wonderful. So I will simply now copy-paste this code, and hopefully this is what my client wants. So let's copy-paste it and go to our first code check link where we had this incorrect code. Let's get rid of it. This code, remember, only passed 1 of the 7 hidden tests, and that was no good. So let's see if we can pass more tests. So this time we do see a few more tests passing. We have an improved score of 3 out of 7, but it's still not good enough. So clearly there are other senses in which this problem statement is vague, it's ambiguous. So perhaps we could again ask ChatGPT. At some point ChatGPT may run out of ideas, it may start repeating ideas, but let's try it one more time.